Hello everyone, I'm Emma, and today I am going to read a story. It is called Happy Halloween Mittens by Lola M. Schaefer. Happy Halloween, Mittens! Nick is getting ready for Halloween. Mitten wants to help. Nick paints spooky faces. Mittens paints faces too. "Oh, Mittens," says Nick, "you are not helping." Nick puts up a spooky cobweb. Mitten puts up a cobweb too. Oops! The cobweb falls down on Mittens. "Oh, Mittens," says Nick, "you are not helping." Nick makes spooky cookies. Mitten makes cookies too. "Oh, Mittens," says Nick, "you are not helping at all." Mittens runs away. Mittens licks and licks and licks. Soon he is clean and fluffy. Mittens still wants to help. Mittens finds Nick on the porch. Nick hangs a ghost. The ghost blows in the wind. "This ghost is not spooky," says Nick. "I don't know what to do." Nick watches the ghost. Mitten watches the ghost too. He jumps up. The ghost blows past Mittens. Mitten bats the ghost. Scratch! Mitten bats the ghost again. Scratch! Scratch! Mittens moves away. A spooky ghost blows in the wind. "Thank you for helping, Mittens," says Nick. "Now we are ready for Halloween." Boo!